The objective of this credit intelligence analytics engine is to give you a complete snapshot and very easy to access dashboard uh, to analyze your complete all your receivables and help you identify very easily which teams have issues with the payment collections and which customers can go wrong in the sense that with which customers you may have issues with collecting the payments in the future. So if you see, then this system has been built uh, with the test data of 439 customers. In the actual system, it will integrate in the real time with your ERP, fetch all the transactions. We only need the access to the transactions, that what's a sale and what are the payments, and credit note, debits note, sale return, all those things will fetch from the transaction table itself. You do not need anything else. And that integration with the with whichever ERP you have, be it SAP or any other ERP, we can also help you with that also. In fact, we can also take care of the entire integration also. So across these 439 customers for this demo, the total AR is 20.4 CR. Among that, the system has identified that 7.78 CR is the high risk exposure. We take into account various parameters to identify and calculate the risk score. That is not only the current situation, that how much money he owe, but we also see that if the pattern with that particular dealer, distributor, customer is worsening or is it improving. So if it is worsening, in the sense that if his AR days or due days are continuously increasing, the amount is also increasing, and n number of other parameters, we have a separate document, detailed document on that. We can share that with you, and also in consultation with you, because you know your business best, we can fine tune those parameters to calculate the risk score as per your business requirements. So this is for 145 customers, the risk is emerging, as in for these customers, uh, the the situation is worsening. After clicking here, we can actually see the priorities in the sense these 145, and I'll just first walk you through this home screen and then we'll go to different tabs. So this entire amount receivable is spread across. So 3.27 CR is low risk, about 5 CR is moderate risk, and then so on and so forth. So this 5.56 plus 2.22, that totals to 7.78. This is a high risk and very high risk. Customers by risk level, so 128 customers have low risk, and these many customers have high risk. So this shows you the sales versus risk map. So let's just first short narrow it down to a particular state so that we see it better. So here the horizontal axis, this one that you're seeing, this is the amount due from that customer, and this is the risk score. So here the risk score is also high and the amount is also quite high. So after clicking here, we can directly reach that customer, the detailed data of that particular customer. Sales by risk profile. So how much, so current year versus previous year sales across risk bands. So this the bar which is on the left is the last year sale, and this is the current year scale. So this is this can also be changed to make it a like to like comparison, that let's say today is, now we are in almost the mid of this financial year. So accordingly, that period it will consider for the last year, that change we can do. Priority actions. So these are the customers who, to whom, for whom you should actually you know look into detail on priority, because for them the risk score is increasing very fast, or for some of them the risk score has already touched 100, which is the highest risk score. Yeah. Similarly here, these are actually different ways of showing the data to you. And these are the customers who have low risk, but and there is a potential for you to consider increasing their credit limit. And this system we can also extend to dynamically calculate and set the credit limits of all your dealer distributors with the use of AI. So if we click on let's say the customer intelligence, here you will see first those customers who have high risk. Here we can filter by risk, high, very high. Confidence level is the confidence level of our AI system, that how confident we are with these recommendations, with this risk score and recommendations. Uh, and let's say we want to see it for a particular state, let's say Assam. So here you'll see it, or for the particular team. I'm actually first removing this filter. So let's say you have multiple subsidiaries or different companies within your group. So let's say the name of the first company is Agro, name of other company is CS Crop Science. We have used knowingly used generic names. Let's say we want to see it only for let's say Northeast. Um, yeah, so here it is, and we want to see only those for the risk score is 84 and above. 73. So at the moment I bring it above 84, only one is left. Yeah. So this data presentation is pretty fast, and if I click on one of them, then I'll see everything, all the details. We will also tell you in easy to understand English or whichever language you want us to. We can also make it multilingual. That why we have identified this particular customer as a high risk customer, and why we have given this score of 93. So we also show you the reasons. And if you can see that this his AR days are worsening, I mean it's actually increasing only. So his credit limit is this much. The system is suggesting that his credit limit should be reduced. And there are different terminologies we have used. If you want to see the meaning of those terms, you can simply go here. This is just for reference. And credit opportunities are those customers who are, whose behavior is good, where the system's recommendation is that you should increase their credit limit and focus more on sales to these customers. And these kind of data or nudges can be automatically passed on to the sales team as per their hierarchy, or which geography or which territory they lead or they work in. And these nudges can be sent to them over WhatsApp, push notifications, or whatever channel you want us to. Hope you like it, and this is just the first version. We can keep improving it, keep adding more and more features to it. We can also have things like analytics dashboard for sales returns, and dynamic credit limit. And we also have a full-fledged presentation on where we have identified 6 different opportunities where AI can help you to elevate your business. Thanks for your time.